wrapped up with the gate. As you can see, we've got cedar on the outside, tongue and groove, and see our draw bolts down like so. Both gates, they have to pull it in like so. You have an extra hole here, so if this needs to be kept open, you can drop it in a hole right here to make sure it stays open in the wind. Now you're locked up tight at the ground. Big bolt here for a lock. You can also pull these up, get them out of your way. No wind today, so I won't worry about that one. And same with this one. All right, so over here, this is the, and now take a look. You can see inside here, we have the bolts on the inside. This gives you adjustment. Should there be anything coming out, you we basically got a lock bolt here, but that allows me to adjust it. If the gates ever come out, that's why. This is also by design, having this at an angle here, so if they ever do get a little bit out of alignment because it's going over a slot, it'll self-align and push up or push down, and it'll get in through there. Important to have those bolts on the inside part of the yard on this. Now this one here is a dumpster, and so this one here we don't worry about quite so much because this is a little bit of a less secure. Down, lock your gate, keeps people from dumping in your dumpster, which is a big problem these days. I remember being a kid and somebody moved, they'd usually throw their stuff at the local grocery store, trash cans. Of course, now I feel more empathy for those grocery store owners. But anyways, you can see that's it. And it's looking pretty sharp. And I guess we'll close it up real quick. There's that. And there you go. There's the finished product. It's pretty sharp and very stout. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. You want to learn about investing in real estate, fixer-uppers, industrial, commercial, land, large acreage, small lots, whatever you, apartment buildings. I've owned just about everything you drive by every day. I can show you how to buy that stuff and make money. Been doing it a long time. Got the smartest mentorship on the internet. You'll see I got people in my class that have made multiple millions. One student up to 3 million, several millionaires now in the student in my class, and it just keeps getting better. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you around. To learn how to make millions of dollars in real estate. I've made tens of millions over my lifetime, and I'm showing people how to do it. Get in my free webinar. I have it every Thursday, 7 p.m. Central. Go to the link below, FlipAnythingUSA.com/webinar. Sign up for it. You can talk to me face to face if you want. Don't waste any time. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. You don't want to miss my channel. I've been doing it for years.